Hey there, welcome back. I'm Roland, and today we're gonna continue to paint this picture right here, and we're gonna paint this hellscape. Yes, when you're not satisfied with the hell uh, that's on your painting, you can take a rag and smudge it if you want. And sometimes smudging does pretty interesting things, like we can see right here. I smudged it. I might have fudged it, but I like it. That's right, take your rag and make your hell nice and cozy for all the little demons that we're gonna paint. And they're gonna live in this cute little infernal hellhole. Alright. Well, yeah, that's looking pretty cute. And now it's time to add some more flavor, if you know what I mean. And by flavor, I mean all kinds of explosions, smoke, darkness, perhaps lava, maybe I don't know, some ghouls eventually. But I think it's a little too early for ghouls. First we're gonna have to build it out. All right. And if this reminds you of a specific layer of hell, let me know which layer it reminds you of. But I think there's way more shit. I think there's way more layers than we really assume. I think this right here, the internet, and maybe even the reality around us might be a layer of hell, but who knows? And many of you might say, but Satan's not real. Well, neither is the, I guess, underlying value of money, and it still runs your life, so whatever. And, okay. That's about it. That was it for this video. Next time, we're gonna continue painting hell, and maybe we're gonna smudge it. See you then. Bye.